very clear today.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's your lucky day because so many time I passed through here.
Yeah.
Half of the mountain covered by the clouds.
Yeah.
So today is clear from the bottom to the top.
Yeah.
Lucky you.
We are.
So we're going to have a small break here.
Yes. Okay.
Try some the volcanic coffee. It's Arabica coffee, yeah, mountain coffee. Hopefully the coffee shop is open. Otherwise we have to go to a different coffee shop. But yeah, I hope they are open. Open. Thank God for that. Let's go and stop. Try enjoying the local coffee, volcanic coffee, and enjoy the mountain.
Wow.
It's your lucky day.